Watch ya now. Ninja Sting 1995 versus Cabra. You know what's your trouble?
Say no more, it's called a no more. This time when you're blessing, you're not poor. Say no more, it's called. What them the good that say that them a bad man, I'm a poor boy. Someone that them blind from ceiling to floor. Kick off the window, kick off the door. This bad man you say, make me hit. I never kill a pussy hole in your head.
You know what's a Cabra dead they hear that. That's all I gotta say. Been around as ninja cameraman. I can't just imagine how them people are laughing themselves to death. Watch this.
Lyrics on spot. Where there's my name?
Lyrics on spot.
You may have to tell you how my name, Lyrics on spot. Watch how me talk, watch how me chat. Me driving in a Benz and the color is black and me red pants with me have on to match that. With a red and white shirt with polka dot. I saw them get to know so that me moving on. Me red clocks down there so just to match that with me red and white socks and that damn idiot. Me say, where they say my name?
Lyrics on spot.
Where they call me name?
Lyrics on spot.
Burgundy van front of me, I just a trap. And Nissan van that me no mind mouth. That is Toyota car there and a red one that and they stop like the green and me have to move from this spot. Me say, where they say my name?
Lyrics on spot. No, people, streets, lyrics on spot. Ninja man. Are the baddest lyricists in the music.
Where they say my name?
And I spot him and do it pan anything you say.
It's a tune that we have to do right now. Where they say my name?
Lyrics on spot.
You understand? Now God the bench place get me past them back. So when we come out, we can kiss like a dog. Everything on it, when I shake and I rap me, I go fix it back. I mean, I jam it.
Yeah.
So where they say my name?
Lyrics on spot.
Where they say my name?
Lyrics on spot.
No, me I go pass on a reach right spot. When me see the crab, then me say me don't want that. The woman open up a damn ice box, so me look on the door and me say, what is that? I was circle with a man and sell coconut and the man pan the bike cool and relax. I say, where they say my name?
Lyrics on spot.
In a uniform of school I come back. What the blue and white one I come down this spot, while the chippy one up a front is our chap. The white one there front of me, does a rap me tell you, where they say my name?
Lyrics on spot. Where they say my name? Lyrics on spot. No, people. If you don't love it, sir, go on.
We say lyrics on spot and them better know that.
When they say my name, lyrics on spot. Yo, Ninja man funny so they can't funny no more. Ninja man I go up on a mango thieving spree right now. Watch it pre.
Morning people. People. You see that criminal yeah? You see that criminal people? You saw early it is that them come on my yard and call me to me I forgot which is if you go thief the man mango. Look here. Everything you bad, you pick me up. Why never pick up stations? Why never pick up stations to go thief the people them mango? Imagine, look at the time, early even 9 o'clock yet. And you come on my place, come pick me for go thief mango. Me not thief no mango for nobody. But that's how the people them know how it's dangerous. If a church, I call the last week and say, come here to go to church. You don't come for me.
But you know why I'm not going to church?
What make?
Every day the pastor never charge the sexual to pick them. Who not charge the homosexualist or charge the child abuse. Me not work with no pastor where I lead God's children astray in the name of Jesus. I am a man of God. I am not of no religion. So when you call me to that church, you go sit down.
Listen.
I'm a man of God. I'm not a Christian. Said Ninja man, which is right.
When I'm on a bad man, you know, girlfriend.
Emily.
Emily Crooks. Emily, whatever. Anyway, when me I say Emily.
Are you clean?
Eh?
Never smoke anything before you came this morning?
I smoke weed. You have a problem with that?
You smoke weed?
Yeah.
How you get it? Planted?
A girl, you are a real informer, you know.
Emily. I have to keep correcting you. Where you planted?
I feel like a union Keisha.
Eh? Your wife give you a problem?
Anyway, when me I say Emily.
Your wife give you a problem?
You're too fast, Emily, man. I know that will come here to deal with.
That's why I'm a journalist. I ask the question. That's what I do. Don't you know? Sure, you expected this before you came here.
You know, see a man suppose you don't like you.
Yeah? That's very, very personal. We want to get back to the next.
So we want to get back to me and Keisha life. You never know if me and Keisha life personal, but you want to dig down in my one.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a blessed one. Stay safe.